Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Astika Maria. I will present the result of the analysis of the article as a final project. Article 1. The collection and prospect of Islamic education institution and sustainability in digital era. Result problem: the collection and profit of Islamic education institution and the sustainable in the digital era of technology. Result 1. Political change, economic change, and social culture change. 2. Islamic education institutions profit include improving human resource and service quality. 3. The future of Islamic education institution, namely the sustainable of the education extension. Inclusion, the collection of Islamic education institution in the digital era is the chance to upgrade to institution system so that it can keep up with the times and to increase quality human resource for institution as well as increase the effective of Islamic education institution. Your suggestion for article of the result as study material in profit the quality of Islamic education in the digital era, because education that does not develop according to the era will be left behind an expression and deadline in the quality of human resource of the future. Take a look for the article. There are some upfronts that does not have explained, also in the web text have difficulty in interpreting the upfronts. Article 2. Time, character building in new normal Islamic and education. There's a problem. 1. How to do character education and Islamic education in the new normal era. 2. How to build digital generation character in the new normal era. Result change in the education system and rehabilitating student character in building. Inclusion, information technology has boxed the world into a global vortex, resulting in change in aspect of life, including education. It is idea of digital education and much as a response to the times. Your suggestion for article it is better the problem than the development for specific. Direct from the article that collection is not inside with the problem and the study. Article 2. Time evaluation of Islamic education curriculum policy in Indonesia. As a problem, Islamic education curriculum change. Result discuss how to evaluate Islamic education curriculum policy in Indonesia and what are the supporting in leading factor in implementing curriculum quality in learning in school in Indonesia. Conclusion: the Islamic education curriculum in Indonesia has always been based on the national education curriculum policy. This can be seen from the change and continue of the 2004 curriculum, 2006 curriculum, and the 2030 curriculum. Your suggestion for article it is hope that Ministry of Education can study the Islamic education curriculum in Indonesia, which is always chance to the student do not experience in adapting to change curriculum. The last for the article treat as a profession that have no expression. Article 4. The Islamic education in the globalization era, collection, opportunities, and contribution of Islamic education in Indonesia. Result problem, collection, opportunities, and contribution of Islamic education in the era of globalization. Result Uh, one conduction and critical and comprehensive study of religious thought in the form of normally, normative and history. Two, integrating Islamic education to other science fields. 3. Revolution or reforming Islamic education, teaching learning activity by cultivate Islamic noble value in the real life. 4. Reforming Islamic education learning material. And 5. Transforming and interlacing Islamic value into student person. Inclusion. It was inclusion, collection, opportunity, and contribution to Islamic education in the globalized era. Free as read to the collection Islamic education. Those collection include culture change, social change, human change, and stupid change. Your suggestion for article: education. Islamic education is a very important role in character building and teacher coach empathy perfect in learning material that always relate to religion value. The last of article no suggestion for future research. Article 5. Critical issue in Islamic education study, writing Islamic and Western liberal scholar value of education. Research problem, Islam and education that takes place in Muslim majority and minority context. Research result, Islamic education study after restrictive academic framing the communist strategy. Inclusion, Islamic education study as interdisciplinary field of empirical research, scan inquiry and professional development in both the Western Islamic and Western higher education will facilitate and much need critical or reflects dialogue between diverse Islamic and the West education tradition. Your suggestion for article. Critical article of Islamic education thought mapping and the mind relevant literature and identification and equipment with central central issue will suggestion new academic framing the field and interdisciplinary research agenda. The text of the article, the author does not explain what the purpose of the research is. Article 6. The management of Islamic education in the collection of Society 5.0. Research problem, Islamic education revolution era of Society 5.0. Result, the problem of change of Islamic education management relates to human resource and the lapse of research and the mind comprehends the must be perfect and individual, namely creative, critical thinking, connection and collaboration. Islamic education management strategy and framing in the era of Society 5.0. Inclusion, Islamic education refers to speak Islamic teaching to the wider community. In the era of Society 5.0, Islamic education must undergo reformation in order to learning solution to common problem. Of course, by development quality human resource development, developing advanced education with master of science and technology and improving science technology. Your suggestion for article in the era of Society 5.0, Islamic education should be able to prepare supra-human resource and make many positive contribution to development public. The last of the article, The author does not explain the purpose of the research. Article 7, the implementation of Islamic education curriculum development in Al-Ulumul Islamic School Medan. So problem results. 1. Planning the development of Islamic education curriculum and the Al-Ulum Islamic School in Medan. 2. The implementation of the development of Islamic education curriculum in Al-Ulum Islamic School Medan. 3. The evaluation of the development of Islamic education curriculum in Ulumul Islamic School Medan. Inclusion Islamic education curriculum in the Ulumul Islamic School in Medan conduct to talks 3 stages. 1. The development of institutional level program. 2. The development of program for each subject. And 3. The development of thinking program in the class. Beyond the question of article, curriculum development is Islamic education short cons to be concise. The length of the article use a long subtitle format. Thank you.